I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about MicroJig's Matchfit dovetail clamps. Now these look pretty much like an ordinary C-clamp. I'll zoom in so you can see a little bit better. But you'll notice it's just a straight bar here. It doesn't have the usual pad that you see on other C-clamps. And also, if you look a little closer, you'll notice that it has a wedge shape here. If you can see that in the video. Angled shape. And that's really important because the way this is designed is this wedge shape fits into a slot made by a standard 1/2 inch 14-degree dovetail bit. So what that means is you can take a piece of wood and you can cut slots, dovetail slots in it, and you've suddenly got a clamping fixture. So like this is just this simple board here, can be used as an extension fence on my table saw here. Just like that. And now I've got extra support for taller work on a bandsaw, work on a jointer, work on all sorts of things. And you can make all sorts of clamping fixtures this way. But even without you making anything, you can find that these will actually fit in some commercial fixturing tools. Like for example, let's take it over here. This is a Festool saw guide, and they'll fit in there so that you could clamp your Festool saw guide. I'll zoom in a little bit here so you can see. Also on the side of the table here we have slots, and this is a standard Festool MFT table, and you can use it to clamp work on the side. Like that, so you can work on the edge. You could also use the holes in the tabletop and clamp work on the face like that. So pretty versatile. Definitely useful. Definitely worth checking out. We have a lot of other videos and tool reviews on our website, fdmcdigital.com and woodworkingnetwork.com. Check those out, and thanks for watching.